Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today's episode is going to be short and sweet and to the point, and it has to deal with a water issue, and probably many of you, not only with S-10s but with pickup trucks in general, have the same issue, and we're going to correct it today. So when it rains and you have a plastic bed liner, this is what happens. It fills up with water, and if you have stuff in the back, it's really not a good thing at all. Now when I take off, sure, it comes up to the back here and it drains out and it's fine, but I leave a big streak down the road and it takes a while to get it out of there, really. And what I don't like is the fact that my tailgate is starting to rust some at the bottom here at the seam where the skin overlaps. And well, I just want to prevent any of that from getting worse or slow it down as much as possible. So we've got a quick little fix for that. I'd like to take a couple of seconds to interrupt today's video to make an announcement. The 612 merch store is officially open for business. As you can see, I am wearing a design now. This happens to be the first design of the launch, and this one is extra special to me because, well, not only is it the first design that we're doing, but it also happens to be a photograph of my grandfather in the late 40s pumping gas at a filling station he used to work at in central Minnesota. We also have hoodies, joggers, leggings, stickers, t-shirts of other varieties, coffee cups, stainless steel tumblers, the list goes on and on. We have 3 designs currently available for you, and now until the end of the year, every Friday we're going to be adding a new design. So you're going to want to check back to see if there's something else that has captured your eye. The links and everything for that store are going to be down below in the description, so make sure you check those out. Now back to the program. So, as you can see, problem solved. Now water will not concentrate in the back, as it'll just run out as it happens. Granted, it's slow, but it's definitely what we're after. So that's good. And as you can see, it's actually draining out pretty quick. And yeah, a guy could put a few more holes here and there, but we'll try it with a couple, and if we need to add more, we'll add more. But for now, that's going to take care of the issue. that's going to wrap her up for today's episode. I hope you did enjoy. And, you know, like I said, this is something, you know, most guys that have a pickup truck with a snap-in plastic bed liner probably have to deal with. And, yeah, it's pretty obvious, but some people just might need a little assistance. So this is to help those guys. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and check out the links in the description below for the merch store and my Instagram account. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.